we have with us Mr. Sunil from Tavant Technologies, and it's a really privilege to have another winner of the Facility Management Leadership Award. So many congratulations, Mr. Sunil, for winning this award. How does it feel to be a winner tonight?
Great, as usual.
Great, good to hear that. So let us know a little bit about how you happened to become a facility manager, a little bit about your career. Was this the first job that you started with? Give us a little background about how you happened to be where you are today.
My passion was to be in FM. My dad was an FM and I am an FM. So the passion drives me to be in FM fraternity.
Okay. So how long have you been a facility manager?
25 years.
Whoa, that's really amazing. You know what's really interesting? You're the first person who told me that you wanted to be a facility manager. Everybody else told me that they were accidentally became facility managers, right? So
my passion is facilities. I want to treat people as my customers, serve them as a god, and give our best to the community.
Excellent, sir. Very well said. I'm truly inspired to hear what you're saying. So there are people who are watching this video who are probably 25 years old, just about the same experience, the same age as your experiences. They're starting off their career as facility managers and they aspire to become leaders like yourself. What is your advice to them?
My personal advice to them is treat them as a god. Work is a god. Work is worship. Do it passionately. Don't just do it for work's sake. Love your work. You will give 100% to it.
Fantastic, sir. Those are really great nuggets for everyone to follow, and I think it's not just specific to facility management. Anybody who's starting off any career, I think that's advice to be taken seriously. I'm sure as a facility manager there are several challenges that you face. That's something that you look at every day. So tell me, can you think of one very challenging situation that you came across in the recent past, and how did you overcome that kind of a challenge?
I would love this question to answer. One of our customer asked me to bring an elephant to the campus.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking.
Okay.
And we brought the elephant.
Okay. How did I want to know why did they want an elephant, and where did you bring an elephant?
So customer wanted to have a ride on an elephant. Not really because he wanted to have a ride. He loves animals.
Okay.
So the customer and our CEO were having a drink, and jolly he said, my CEO said, I have a person who make things happen for the company, and he said, here is a challenge for you. Ask your man to get an elephant. Let me see tomorrow morning.
Wow.
So it was on a Sunday night when I get a ring from my CEO asking, you fix generators, you fix UPSs, you fix a whole lot of the thing. Here's a new challenge for you. Our customer wants to have an elephant ride. Can you make it happen in next 6 hours? So I had literally run around to bring an elephant inside the city in 1995.
Wow. So if you want to really know how Sunil did that, you want to connect with him on LinkedIn, meet him up and find out how that's done. Right? It will be a really interesting conversation to find out how you make things happen. Right? So I'm sure as a facility manager, there's a lot of things that you're handling. Currently, what is the most exciting project or exciting initiative that you're working on?
See, there are many things that which keeps coming to our mind. Open office culture, bring wellness in the company, create more productivity, earn more revenue, right? So that is where we are all working together. I think the first thing that I want to fix is how do we align our business to revenue versus FM. That is where everybody should think and move towards that.
That's very well said. So on a more personal note, I want to know, you seem extremely fit, right? So what is your secret to your fitness? What do you do?
I'm a marathon runner. Tomorrow is one more marathon, Puma 10K marathon run. So I run a lot. Running is my passion.
Fantastic. It shows on your physique. So how much time do you take to cover 10K?
Last that I did was 0.40 minutes.
That's marvelous. That's better than most people I know. That's amazing, sir. So what's your tip to somebody who's in facility management? They barely manage to find time for their own work, and most people I know have a tough time managing work-life balance. What's your advice to them?
My personal advice is we need to be front-ender to say how you need to make life so simple, right? So our jobs are thankless job, we all know that, but how do we make that employee friendly or company friendly is by being healthy, thinking positive. Success will come looking for you.
Very well said, sir. That's great advice. It was wonderful meeting you. Congratulations once again on being a winner.
Thank you so much. Thank you for honoring all this for us.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Acharya and I'm the CEO of OffiNeeds.com. We help businesses to plan and purchase office stationery and daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystic. We help more than 500 plus companies do green and do water conservation.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fmwalloffame.com to watch several more interviews like these.
Do not forget to like, share and comment.